Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an API key for Groq and use it totally free in the Chrome extension ChatHub. To do so, go to groq.com and in the upper right area you see a button named Dev Console. If you click on that, you have to create an account and log in if not already done, and afterwards you see a screen like this. And on the left there is a section named API keys and a button named Create API Key. So click on that. You have to give it a name and verify that you are human. And then with Submit, you will see your key, which you can copy over and add it to whatever application you want to use it in. For us, that will be ChatHub. So it's already installed, Chrome extension. With the press of the extension symbol, it's opening a new tab. And in the settings, you see many different options. So first is a section named Use Our AI Service. That is their paid monthly subscription model and nothing I'm recommending you to do right now. Next section is named Use Your Own Account, which is already way more interesting as it's using your browser sessions. And yeah, some of them or not all might be familiar. And for example, you can use your ChatGPT subscription in ChatHub if you're logged in ChatGPT in the same browser, which is already super cool. And yeah, we will see that later. And the next section is Use Your Own API Key. And here again, you have different providers to do so. So one example is also OpenAI again, which you can use instead of a monthly subscription with a fixed fee. You can also for OpenAI go paid by usage. But yeah, besides that, we also have open source models in. The ones to highlight are DeepSeek, which is so far known as the best open source model, and also the new Minimax. And both of them you can use inside ChatHub via the API keys from the companies themselves. But what we do right now is Groq, because that is a totally free option right now and providing different models, including the latest Llama model. To do so, we activate it on the radio button with the right, click on Configure, and then we have to paste in our API key, which is in the clipboard. And the next thing we have to verify is the model we want to use. The preset is not the latest Llama model, and to correct that, we go to the Dev Console again, where we created our key. Click on Documentation, and there we have a section named Models. And there we see all the various models which are usable right now inside of Groq via the API key. And the currently best is the Llama 3.3 70B, which is providing also a context window of 128k tokens, which is quite some text you can use as input. We copy that over and paste it as a model name here and say confirm, and then save changes. With that, we see now in the left sidebar Groq popping up, and we can start to chat with it. And yeah, we see now here it's working. But the real feature which makes this extension outstanding is the all-in-one feature. And in the free version, you can chat with 2 models at the same time. In the paid version, which is a lifetime subscription, you can pay with 6 models at the same time. So yeah, it's then popping up. So it's once $40, so nothing to start with. But if you like the tool, you can do that. I did that more than a year ago and still quite happy because it's evolving and getting new features over time, and it's well maintained and supported by its single developer. If you do so, would be glad if you use my affiliate link. You will find that in the article And yeah, but for now, use it for free, get started with it without paying. So split view, and we have now GPT on the left. You can go to the drop down menu and choose another model. On the right, already Groq is selected, and now you can see the outputs of ChatGPT with the 4.0 model compared to Groq by giving it one prompt, so one request, and you will get 2 replies, and you can directly compare them. Yeah, just a small test that you see it's working. Yeah, the well-known ChatGPT joke, if you prompt it for a joke without any special requirements. And then Llama is giving something different on the right via Groq. And yeah, that's already it. Feel free to explore and compare good open source models with the tool you're using right now. And have fun. See ya.